नहीं सकिया लकब अमीरी मिलिया है मैं को मगर मैं काल को नहीं सकिया।
Welcome to another episode of A Journey to Jannat. In this episode, we visit the holy shrine of Imam Ali alayhi salam, the first Shia Imam and the rightful successor of the Holy Prophet. He was born on the 13th of Rajab in the Holy Kaaba and was killed in Kufa on the 21st of Ramzan.
Imam Ali was killed in Kufa but buried in the holy city of Najaf. There are two holy prophets buried beside him, Prophet Adam and Prophet Nuh. The holy city also has the world's largest cemetery. It is called Wadi as-Salam, the Valley of Peace.
So who is this holy personality that's buried in such a magnanimous shrine? Imam Ali alayhi salam was known for his knowledge. As the Holy Prophet himself said, I am the city of knowledge and Ali is its gate. But it wasn't just his wisdom, it was also his bravery, his valor, and his mercy on the battlefield. We can spend hours talking about the merits of Amir al-Mu'mineen, the commander of the faithful, but no video could actually do it justice. But those who visit the holy shrine in Najaf will speak of this immense peace that you find here, as if the king himself has his arms around you and tells you everything is going to be okay. Just a little bit of history about the holy shrine itself. In the 40th year after Hijri, Imam Ali alayhi salam was assassinated. His son secretly transported his body to Najaf and buried it with an unmarked location to protect it from the enemies. It was in the year 135 after Hijri where Imam Jafar Sadiq alayhi salam publicly revealed the location of the grave of Amir al-Mu'mineen. Approximately 34 years later, the first structure was made over the tomb of Amir al-Mu'mineen by the Abbasi Caliph Harun Rashid. But in the year 283 after Hijri, Muhammad ibn Zayd al-Hassani was the first to make a dome on top of this structure. A proper structure was built around the shrine, with courtyards, and this marked the first permanent settlement in what is modern-day Najaf. In the 10th century, the Hamdanid rulers of the time expanded the complex, adding grand architectural elements and a protective city wall. Now looking at the shrine today, it was one of the most impressive pieces of architecture in the entire world, with growing crowds each year. In Muharram and Arba'in in particular, where 20 to 25 million people visit in the space of just 10 days. The holy shrine needs to be a place that can accommodate such crowds. Although the temperatures can reach approximately 45 to 50 degrees in the summer, the facilities in and around the shrine make it very accessible for the zawars that visit here. The marble flooring, for instance, the huge fans, and the nice cool air that you get inside the holy shrine makes the zawars forget all about the scorching heat outside. The footage you are seeing now is of the new courtyard that was built recently, the Fatimiyya courtyard. Just like the master, Amir al-Mu'mineen, who is buried here, Najaf is renowned for its hawza system. Najaf is renowned for a place of knowledge, producing some of the best ulama in the Shia world. Over the next few episodes, we will visit many locations across Najaf. Wadi as-Salam, the Valley of Peace, and also the grave of Asib al-Yamani. We also visit the holy city of Kufa, rich in its history and significance. So I'll leave you in peace to watch some azadari that takes place inside the holy shrine, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
يا عظيم يا جليل يا كريم يا منيب برحمتك ومنك يا أرحم الراحمين